After completing this lesson, you will be able to use and apply layer states to control visibility of elements in your drawing. Defining a layer state saves the current layer settings so you can restore those settings. You can restore all the layer settings or specify which layer settings to restore. A layer state can be updated to include new layers or remove layers or to change specific layer settings. I want to create a layout for the different fire ratings. I have two layers. One layer is called 1 hour fire rating and one layer is called 2 hour fire rating. If I mouse over a line type, it will identify the line type as a 2 hour fire rating line type, and the interior walls have a 1 hour fire rating line type. I want to create one layer state for the 1 hour fire rating and one layer state for the 2 hour fire rating. I have two layouts with one called 1 hour fire rating and one called 2 hour fire rating. I'm going to be applying layer states to the appropriate layout. I'll start by freezing my 2 hour fire rating layer. Only the interior walls show a fire rating line. I'll come over to the Expanded Layers panel on the Home tab. I select New Layer State. I'll give it a name and call it 1 hour fire rating and click OK. I will use the Thaw All tool on the Layers panel on the ribbon to thaw the 2 hour fire rating layer. I will then select the Freeze tool from the Layers panel and select the 1 hour fire rating line to freeze all the elements on that layer. Now only the exterior walls display a fire rating line. I'll expand the lower area of the Layers panel. I don't want to keep expanding it, so I'll use this little pin to keep the panel open. I select New Layer State. I type in a new name and call it 2 hour fire rating. I click OK. If I mouse over a layer state name, AutoCAD gives me a preview of what I would see depending on the layer state. I want to apply layer states to each layout tab. I switch to the 1 hour fire rating layout. I click inside the viewport to activate model space. I select the 1 hour fire rating layer state. I click outside of the viewport to return to model space. I switch to the 2 hour fire rating layout. I click inside the viewport to activate model space. I select the 2 hour fire rating layer state to apply to the viewport. I click outside of the viewport to return to paper space. I return to the Layers panel and select Manage Layer States. This brings up the Layer States Manager. You see the two layer states which have been defined listed. Notice I can control which layer properties are restored for each layer state. I can edit and update layer states. I can also import or export layer states using the Layer States Manager. I click Close. Layer states provide me with a fast and easy way to control what I see in each viewport. A layer state is like a snapshot of the existing layers and layer settings at the time the layer state is created. If you are constantly freezing, thawing, and locking layers as you switch from one task to another, saving layer states can save you time and make the drawing process easier.